Today we will make a small eared button hook box. The ears are about the same size as fingers. The button hook pressure plate cannot be installed and can only be replaced with U-bars. There is no place to put the glue gun and glue can only be applied directly on folding section. The window will hit if received in sequence, so we choose the reverse receive. First, check if there are any missing hooks or excess glue at the bottom of the groove. Second, check for scratches or imprints on both sides. After inspection, do a box test. Mainly check for any abnormal burst corners, burst lengths, etc. After confirming everything is normal, do a first piece. Compare with the sample and starting.